I saw a video on TikTok of a guy that was saying that Somalis are in high demand. And I have, well, from my personal experience, I have a few reasons why. So I think they are good-hearted people. They're generous. They're funny as hell, honestly. They are beautiful, mashallah. They are really beautiful. I mean, they're stunning, women and men. And the main reason, I mean, number one for me, is they are really good Muslims. If you see them, women, they wear the full jilbab and they're fully covered and they fear Allah and they follow Islam. I'm talking like, generally speaking. Then obviously there are always the exceptions, but the main reason is that they're good Muslims.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
برنامج كارب أنا كخيب خاطر سؤالا وطا. هاي شيخ يوليب.
وأصقي تلفونك إلى هذا.
هاي ما كلامك هذلو ساي هذا.
تيفيك مالك لك هذلو لكن دكت ذاك على هذلوها.
ألو.
دكت إسحاق دكت.
يا.
تلفونك يويدي سؤال شيء كذا في تيفيك.
قف كلام ولا هذلو سابع نميل هذلو